Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone 15 Pro Max freezing issue. Freezing is a common issue faced by many iPhone users, including those with the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max. It can be frustrating when your iPhone suddenly stops responding and becomes unresponsive. But don't worry, there are several ways to fix freezing issue on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So guys, first of all you have to do is restart your iPhone. This is the first and the most basic solution to try. To restart your iPhone, you have to go to your settings, go back, go to general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is close background apps. Running too many applications in the background can overload your iPhone 15's RAM and cause it to freeze. To close background apps, follow this step. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then hold until you see the app previews. Simply swipe up on each app to preview to close them. After this, then you have to do is check for storage space. So guys, if your iPhone storage space is almost full, it can lead to freezing issues. To check your storage space and free up to check your storage space, you have to simply go to your iPhone storage and you can see an option which app is consuming a lot of storage. If you see any unnecessary app using in your if you see any unnecessary app on your storage, you can simply offload them or uninstall them. After trying these three steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. You have to go to your software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reset all settings on your iPhone. This will reset all your settings to their factory defaults, including Wi-Fi password, Bluetooth connections, and app preferences. To do this, you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.